Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Humbo1. And this is Lincoln. Lincoln, what do you have to say to everyone? Okay, so welcome to my new apartment. Well, it's not actually my apartment, we're just renting it. So we're going to give you a tour around. We are currently, where are we, Lincoln? Where are we? Lincoln, where are we? We're on the balcony. So let's take a look at the balcony first. Okay, Lincoln's in the car. Right, so this is the balcony. This was a newly furnished apartment that we're renting for 25,000 RMB for the year. Let's just have a look. Got a nice view of a river down there. Let's take a look inside. It is a 3-bedroom. Yeah. It is a 3-bedroom apartment. Sorry about the mess. I haven't cleaned up. There's Lincoln. Let me just squeeze past the cot here. 3-bedroom apartment. This is the master bedroom with an ensuite. Western toilet there. Bedroom is a little bit tight when you're trying to squeeze past if you've got a cot there, but I would say it's pretty nice. Not bad. Lincoln likes it. We've got a mosquito net on there that also acts as a bed guard for when Lincoln's in there. Yeah. Then we have 2 more bedrooms here. This place is about 120 square meters. I deeply apologize about the mess. Why is everywhere like open? I would like to say that we've only just moved in here, but we've been here about a month. Oh no, another room messy. Look at the state. Why are the cupboards? Jiao opened all the doors and cupboards to get rid of the new decoration smell. So we don't actually use these rooms, as you can see. It's just kind of used as a wardrobe, really. Then if we come down here, you have another toilet. Got a sink, mirror. The mirror has a little light on and heated. It's pretty nice. So as I said, this whole place was already newly decorated by the landlord. Let's just step in here. There seems to be a dog in my toilet. See, we have the squat toilet, and also you have another shower here that you want to use. It's a bit of a weird design, and you walk through the toilet into a laundry kind of area, and there's another dog here, some kind of grumpy, some kind of very stinky French bulldog. Washing machine there, window looking out onto the river down there, and then through there you can see the kitchen. So let's just head back through now. That's my dog Mona Lisa, and this is Winston, who is a Tugil, and he's going mental at the moment because he can sense that there's a storm coming. Just calm down, it's not going to do anything, just calm down. We can't give him like a bed, a comfy bed or mat or anything, because he just destroys it, so you tear it to 1,000 pieces. Anyway, so that's their place, and that's just temporary anyway, because I have an announcement at the end of this video, so stick around. So then you come into the living room area. What's on the TV? Oh, Lincoln's got his cartoons on. Nice big couch. And then you've got Lincoln's bouncy thing, and then his play area. Just look at the state of it, all the toys. Nice big window. This is actually was an open balcony, but a lot of people in China, they decide to close off the balcony. I guess because they've already got that balcony across there, so they only wanted one, you know. I probably would have kept it open, but you get a bit of extra room if you close it off. And just spotted someone over there decided to clean their windows whilst risking their own life. That's the price you got to pay for cleaning windows. And it is a long way down. So she's got balls of steel. Water machine over there. Lincoln's little walker. That is the computer setup. That's where all the videos get made, edited, and uploaded. Then you've got a little kitchen here. There's the fridge. This is actually quite low for me. I think it's something like 80 centimeters. Nice little kitchen. There's some leftover food. You don't want to look at that. Shall we look in the fridge? What do we have in the fridge? Oh, very interesting indeed.
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's
what Tata. 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 It's what Tata. So, as I was saying, this apartment was 25,000 for the year, which works out at about 3. Charles. Charles doesn't want to be filmed because she looks like a slob. I thought I had my glasses on. Anyway, as I was saying, this apartment is 25,000 for the year. We probably could have negotiated them down to 20,000 if we did the negotiating game, but we didn't have much time because we were in a rush, so we just took the first price that they said. That works out about $300 US per month, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me. We are in Guizhou province. Now obviously the prices are a lot cheaper here compared to Shanghai and Beijing, but you know, who wants to live in Shanghai and Beijing when you can live in this lovely place. It was sunny a second ago, but it seems like it's gonna be cloudy and I think there's a storm coming. Utility bills cost about 300 RMB for the month. Gas, water, electric, about 300 roughly. I mean, obviously it depends how much you use. Internet, how much is our internet? 168 RMB for data on your phone, internet, TV. But what's our internet speed? Let's go have a look now. Whoa, whoa, that is pretty fast. That is, it's still going. It is still going. 200, 220. Upload speed, very important for uploading videos. That's pretty good as well, pretty fast. I really like this little planty area on the balcony. I can imagine that you could do something nice with that if you bought some plants and did it up. This is just what it came as. And it's nice to look at and see all the other buildings that have the same. Anyway, so I have a big, huge announcement. Now a lot of people always come and say, oh, it's starting to rain. A lot of people always comment and say, oh, why are you renting? You should have bought a house by now. Well, I have an announcement to make. We have indeed bought a house. Well, not a house, an apartment. Similar to this one, but much bigger than this one. It's around 200. How big is it? 200 square meters. 240 square meters. An apartment building, 2 floors, and it is the rooftop as well. So it has a huge rooftop area, like a penthouse kind of thing. So that's going to be in another video. I'm going to give you a tour around that. It's not decorated yet, obviously. It's going to take a while to decorate it, probably like 10 months or something. So once that's ready, we'll be moving there. So that's why I rented this one for a year, because decoration is probably going to take about a year anyway. So yeah, that was the announcement. There's a little apartment tour. That is this is the kind of apartment that you can find all around in Guizhou province, which is pretty nice and affordable. much cheaper than other provinces throughout China. And Guizhou province tourism department, you owe me one big time. The amount of times that I have promoted Guizhou to the world. They owe me one big time. Anyway, that is the end of this video. And I will see you in the next one. And so will Lincoln. Lincoln will see you in the next one. Lincoln! Lincoln! What are you doing? Are you inside your mosquito net? You've been caught like a mosquito inside. Lincoln! 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 Highly recommend these nets. Mosquito net on your bed can also act as a bed guard for your little yaller. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Lincoln, what do you have to say?
Signing off.
Signing off! Signing off! Got it! Signing off! Good.